Maintaining a consistent temperature in your smoker is crucial for producing flavorful and perfectly cooked barbecue. Fluctuations in temperature can result in unevenly cooked meats and affect the overall taste and tenderness of your dishes. By understanding the importance of temperature control, you can ensure that your barbecue turns out just the way you want it, juicy, tender, and full of smoky flavor. The temperature inside your smoker can be influenced by several external factors, including outside temperature, wind, humidity levels, and the type of fuel you are using. Higher outside temperatures can lead to increased heat inside the smoker, while wind can cause fluctuations in temperature. Humidity plays a role in how efficiently your smoker retains heat, and the type of fuel used can affect the intensity and duration of heat generated. Understanding how these factors impact smoker temperature is essential for achieving consistent and desirable cooking results. Controlling the temperature in your smoker can be made easier with practical tips such as adjusting the air vents to regulate airflow, using a water pan to help stabilize the temperature and add moisture to the cooking environment, and using a thermometer to monitor the internal heat levels accurately. These tips can help you achieve precise control over the temperature inside your smoker, ensuring that your meats are cooked to perfection every time. Weather conditions such as temperature, humidity, and wind can significantly impact the smoking time of your meats. Colder temperatures may require longer smoking times, while higher humidity levels can help retain moisture in the meat. Wind can cause temperature fluctuations and alter cooking times. Understanding how weather affects smoking times is crucial for planning and adjusting your cooking process accordingly to achieve consistent and delicious results despite external conditions. Summarizing the discussed points emphasizes the significance of understanding how weather conditions impact your smoker's temperature for successful barbecuing. Consistency in temperature control, consideration of external factors, implementation of effective tips, and awareness of weather effects on smoking times are essential for achieving optimal results. Mastering these aspects will help you become a more skilled and adaptable pitmaster, capable of producing mouth-watering barbecue regardless of the weather conditions you encounter.